Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going unboxing my MacBook Pro 15.4 inches. Here it is. Yeah. And I have also a hyperdrive for if you have like everything you want to put in USB-C hub and all your stuff like printers. You need this. So I'm going to unboxing my MacBook Pro 2020. This is the gift, my birthday gift that my husband given to me. Let's open it. There it is. My MacBook. Yes. Here it is, guys. With this charger and book guides. There's a charger. There's the charger and there's the wire. Okay. Apple. And you can hook up this one here. To your laptop. Down here. At the side. So I need a cover for this. So I'll show you. This is MacBook Pro 2020. Looks like it's a 15.4 inches. The screen. And it has a bar touch right here. As you can see. There's a bar touch right here. And then if you need to open this, you need just to touch this for your PIN ID. And yeah, and also if you wanna ask something to look the surfing, like you're surfing or you're editing, it's good for editing for your video, especially if you're a YouTuber like me that I don't know anything yet. So I'm just practicing this my MacBook Pro 2020 15.4 inches, and there is a Sherry right here, and you can ask Sherry, Lidita Lucky Bees YouTube channel.
I'm not sure I understand.
Don't you understand me? See? Try again one more time. Siri, Lidita Lucky Bee YouTube channel.
Here are some videos of Let It Alakabi I found on the web.
Yeah, you just ask Sherry and she gonna show you anything. MacBook is smarter than me. I'm trying to practice myself this. Well, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.